So guys, this is the step 1. In step 1 we have to, first of all we have to shade very light hairs. We have to make a reference design of the hairs in the first case. So let's make. So guys, we have completed step 1. We have made the reference hairs that you are able to see. They are very light and I have made them using a 4H pencil, the lightest pencil I am having. So you all can also draw this by using the lightest pencil you are having. And now we have to overcover them by dark pencil. So I am going to use a soft charcoal pencil. So let's do. This will be step 2. Now guys, we have to blend this using a brush, or you can also use tissue paper or blending stumps. Let's blend. This will be step 3. So guys, we have blended. Now we have to do the 4th step, which is we have to again overlap and again blend. So this time I'm going to do with some more pressure, so it will be more dark. So let's make. Now guys, this is the last step of giving the highlights using the eraser. So I'm going to use the pen eraser, the Tombow Mono, and I'm having a broad one also. So you can also use a simple eraser. You can make the edge sharp and then you can use. So let's make. guys, we have done with all our steps. Now we have to do the same for our beard. So let's make with the magic of sketching. And we have done with the